Hello friends, today I will tell you about a program which is named a program to take two numbers and print the sum of the numbers. So here I've create a new class A1 and the program code editor window where we should write class A1. Okay, class name and public static void main. Okay, and in here I should take two numbers R and T. Okay, and here I should again open a second curly brackets, and here I should write a system.out.print which is used to clear the previous answers. Okay, this is the clear command. And next int e equals to 0, and next enter, and in the e variable I should store the two variable plus what is e is equal to r plus t. Okay, and again semicolon, and we should print e system.out.print print the sum of the numbers is the p. Sum of the numbers is plus e. No, so in semicolon and close two curly brackets, and here I should compile. Here it is saying no syntax errors. Okay, this is the program. Here class A1 public static void main int r, I get two variables, and here is to print. Here it is to print the previous answers, and here I should int 1, and in that variable e I have get r and t plus. Okay, and I have print the sum of the numbers is e. Okay, here e, and next go to compile. Here compiled also, and back to, and here I void main, here 23 and 12 35, a simple 2 and 1 3 displayed. The sum of the numbers is 3. Okay, so this is the program to take two numbers. I have taken two numbers and print the sum of the numbers. Okay, thank you.